In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect PS5 controller to iPad Minecraft. So let's get started. Now, the first step is to check your iPad compatibility. So go over to settings and go to general and then click on about. Now there you're going to make sure that your iPad runs iOS 14.5 or newer. Otherwise, just go ahead to software update and make sure your iPad's updated to the latest version. Then we get to the main part of putting our controller into pairing mode. So this is how you do it. Now you're gonna press and hold the PS button in the middle, so right there, and the create button, which is this button right here. You're gonna hold these two buttons for about 5 seconds, okay? So I'm just gonna write it down. Hold for approximately 5 seconds. Once you do that, the blue light, which is usually around this area, which I'm gonna mark, the blue light around this area is gonna start blinking or flashing, and that indicates that your controller is currently in pairing mode. So then you're just gonna head over to your settings, go to Bluetooth, and here you're gonna wait for dual sense wireless controller to appear under other devices. Once it appears, just click on it, it's gonna connect, then you can simply launch Minecraft and the controller should work automatically. If you want to change some settings, you can obviously head over to Minecraft settings and controller and change whatever you like there. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.